Hello friends. Today we're going to look at how to add audio to your BannerBoo ad project. To add audio, go to the audio library in the left menu bar. In this menu, we see the libraries available to us, as well as audio files that we can use in our stories. To listen to the audio, place the cursor on the track icon. Perfectly. Here we can use the search field in which we can find a track not only by its name, but also, for example, by emotion. Let's write, happy. Now let's select audio. Great. This track is just the right emotional fit for this project. To add a track, simply click on its icon. Now that we have our audio on the timeline, let's align it with the timing of our stories. Let's take a look at how our audio fits into the composition. Great, but the drums are a little loud at the beginning, which can scare the user a little. So let's make the beginning and end of our audio with the fade option. In this way, we make a smooth increase in volume. In the workspace, you can see the control panel of our audio. To turn it on, just click on the selected track on the timeline. Here you can delete a track, duplicate it, or hide it. We can also control the audio itself. We can change the beginning of the track. Let's put in about 4 seconds, just to cut some of those drums. In the same field, we can change the volume of our audio. Wonderful. Now let's see how our edit worked. Perfectly. Now let's save our banner and see how it looks in the preview. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day, and see you in the next videos.